Hello guys, my name is Subhas and I welcomes you in this class, free code Java class. So from today we are starting this class. I apologize for that because I declared that some days before I uploaded a video that I will start from 1st March. But because for some my busyness I couldn't do that. So from today I'm starting, and also there are changes in schedule. I will do it Monday and Friday 8 to 9 p.m. So today onward we'll doing that. So let's start from Java intro. Guys, remember that our channel name is AS Coding, and uh, I already did this class offline with some of my couples of students, and that is going on. So in that between I thought that if I do for free, that will maybe help you. So thank you for joining today's class. So let's start. So here is a tutorial. You can see that if I mark this. So what is Java? Java is a popular language created in 1995. So this language called Java will learn core Java. There are two Java. One is advanced, sorry, one is core Java, and another one is advanced Java. But we are learning this one, core Java. So uh, we'll start from intro. That this was first invented in 1995, and from that word many are using this language as their main language. So it's owned by Oracle. Maybe some of you know company Oracle. So more than 3 billion devices are running Java. This is the benefit. One of the benefit is that more than 3 billion, which is half of the population, is running on Java. What you can do with the Java? You can build mobile application, and I'm also a mobile developer, Android developer. I develop some Android apps. Our company name is Affix Studio. So you can also be a Android developer. You can develop apps and you can earn from that, or you can create desktop applications or web applications, which is required for uh, Java Advanced, web servers, application servers, games, database connection, and much more. So this is the uses. So if you learn Java, you can do these many things. Most of those who learn Java, they go for Android application. So first, if you just learn core Java, you can go for this one. But if you want to go higher, you can learn advanced Java, and you can go through this and these ones also. So just after finishing this course, this Java course, core Java course, you can start your programming. You can start building your Android development. So let's see how we can use Java. So here Java works on different platforms. It can work Windows, as we already discussed that we can make desktop application also. So It runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and etc. So it is one of the most popular language. The most popular language is Python. After that comes Java. So Java is also most popular language in the world. It has large demand in the current job market. So if you learn Java, there are so much demand in the market that easily you can be placed. So just go through this course, learn this course, attend this course, and after that, if you are from India, you can go through government websites. Sorry for the background noise. You can go through government websites, and you can issue a certificate that you have learned Java. So now it is easy to learn and simple to use. If you already know C, then it will be more easy for you. If you don't know, that will be completely okay. But if you already know C, you will learn that Java is more easy than C, and it is totally organized, and you can very easily you can learn if you just focus for, you can, if you give 1 or half an hour in a day, you can simply learn Java. It's, you don't need any coding background. It's totally very easy for everyone. Everyone can learn. It is open source and free. You don't have to pay anything to use Java. You can use it in your uh, while you are making an Android device, Android application, or you can use it anywhere and you don't have to pay any royalty free, because Oracle, the owning company, made it totally open source. So that's why we can use it. It is secure, fast, and powerful. Java is known for its security. It's have so many security advantages, and when we'll go further, you will understand that how secure it is, and you will learn about the securities also. It has a huge community support. So when you will learn, you will face so many difficulties. There will be some error in your code, but if you go through internet, if you search in internet for that problem, you will find the solution, because there are so many people already face that, and they already give the solution and they post it in the internet. So you can easily find the solution also. Tons of millions of developers. So the more big the community will be, the more easily you can find the solutions. So Java is an object oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to reused, lowering development cost. So if you just make one program, you can run it multiple times, and you can copy and paste it to other programs also in the future. So it's very efficient, and you can reuse it. You don't have to rewrite it from completely scratch. You can you maybe, if you have library, Java library, which you already did, which you already coded, you can reuse them, and you can find lots of libraries on the online in the GitHub. So we'll learn about GitHub after some days. Java is a Java is close to C++ and C#. So these are also object oriented programs. uh, if you learn them, if you already know them, this will be easy for you to learn Java. So it makes it easier for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. Means if you learn Java, you can switch to C++, or if you already know C++, then you can switch to Java. This will be very easy to you. So what do we look now? What do we already learn? What is Java? Oracle owns it. You can make mobile applications, desktop applications, web applications, web server, games, database connection, and much more. Why use Java? Java is very popular language. Uh, Maybe you know that some other languages also came, which is Google's Kotlin, but that is not so famous like Java. Kotlin by Google, but that is not so famous, so you cannot find as much as easy like Java. You cannot find the solutions, so that's why it is very easy to find solution in Java because it's so popular. And because of its multiple use, you can, if you learn just Java, you can do this much thing. If you learn other things like Kotlin, if you learn Kotlin, you have to learn PHP again, and other languages also. You have to learn C sharp. But if you learn Java, you can do all the three languages in one language. So what is the use of Java? Java can Java can work on different platforms. It is very popular. It has a large demand in the current job market. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It's very simple to use, and it's, you don't have to learn the rocket science. It's not so complicated to use in your PC. And after some time we'll learn how to install Java in your PC, and that is also very easy. So it's open source. I expect that you know what I mean by open source. Open source means anyone can use, and it's free. It's secure, fast, and powerful. It has a huge community support. That's why it's very easy to find the solutions. Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs. Unless, like, if you learn C, you will see that it's like complicated, means it's not structured, it's mixed up with so many things. But Java gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to reuse. You can use it again and again and again and again. But in the case of C, you cannot use one program more than once, but you can do it for Java. As Java is close to C++ and C sharp, it makes it very easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. So if you are coming from this background, C++ background or C sharp background, you can simply very easily switch to Java. Or if you now learning Java, after that if you made decision, if you decide that I will learn C++, then it will also very easy to jump on that. So I think it's clear for everyone. So okay, we are going to next page, that is how to install Java. So first, if you want to install Java, some PC might have already installed, means some of your PC is already installed. If you want to check, just go to control panel and you have to run this code. To check it, if you have already installed on your PC, search, go to CMD control panel, go to your search menu and type CMD control panel, and After that, just paste it. User, your name, and Java version. Java version, I think currently it's, you can search on internet which is the latest Java version. It's 11.0.18. So Java 1.8, if you paste there Java 1.8, then you can find, sorry, then you can then you can simply find that is that there. So if your environment means if your window already have that, then it will show like this, and this will show up. So if I do in my PC, okay, my PC already have installed in my PC. So those who don't have, just I am giving you the tutorial how to do it. Let's do that. Just go to oracle.com. You can type this Oracle Java software, and here you can see Java downloads. Here is the file I will download for window. We'll install this one. You will install this one. So after that, after installing this, you will go to system and properties. Let me show that. Just wait a moment. Okay, what it's saying here: control panel, system and securities, then system, then advanced system settings. So let me present that. So here you can see it. Then it says system, advanced, and here environment variable. So now you can see, you will press this one, edit. You can see that I already installed Java path. Here you can see Java path. So you will just click here and you will name the variable and you will choose where the Java file is. If your Java file located in download folder, you should not keep there. You should keep in your program files. So maybe it will be installed in your program files when you will install that. So you will just locate the location. Just for example, if cache is there, I will choose the Gradle, and if I press OK, then the value will automatically come here, and you will name it Java Home, like this, Java Home. This is case sensitive, so all will be capital, Java Home. After that, you will press OK, and it will be set. So after installing that, we did all the things. So after installing it, you can check in your command prompts cmd by typing Java version, Java version, and like from here it says Java version. So you will type that in your command prompt. After that, it will show like this. Let me close all of them. Okay, just a moment. Okay, now you have installed in your PC. You already set up your PC and your PC is ready to go. So now we can start Java. So there is a software called Eclipse. This one, this can run Java, but in this case we'll use VS Code. VS Code. This is Microsoft's Virtual Studio. So you can do your code here. It supports multiple language, PHP, HTML, many languages, and you can execute from that. It's very handy. So just install this one. I already installed, and you can start coding. You don't need so much resources, so much RAM. You, if you have just 2 or 4 GB RAM, it can easily run VS Code. And Java is also don't take so much space. It's just about 100 MB. So after installing it, so let's start learning. I believe that you have installed it. Just take time to install it. Just download it. It's also totally free, and it's widely used. It's a very popular studio, virtual studio. Okay, so let us move to the next chapter, which is Java syntax. Java syntax. So firstly, maybe it will be new to you, but Java programs looks like this. Public class main. Every program will contain this, at least couples of classes. So just remember them. Public static void main. This is a function, and after that just hello world. This is the hello world program. This is an example. So you have to, what you have to do, you have to create a file main.java, and just copy this code. Just pause the video and copy this code there. As I explained, this is saying here. And also, if you notice that my class means, which is here main, that is case sensitive, and whatever the class name will be, whatever this name will be, whatever name you can give, but that will be same as the file name main.java. So if you are giving this class name main, so the file name will be also main. If you name it Subhash, then the file name will be also subhash.java. Okay, if this mismatch, this and this is different, then it will show error. So what is saying, the name of the Java file must match the class name. As I said, the saving, when saving the file, save it using the class name and add .java to the end of the file name. To run the example above on your computer, make sure the Java is properly installed. Go to the get started chapter for, as I told. So the output will be this one. This will show just hello world. Just this one will be show on the screen. Okay, so I think you have understand the Java syntax. So we first have to write public, then class, means this is a class which we are writing, main, the class name, public, this is method, exposure area. Static, it will you will learn about more in the next few days. Then main, its function name. Void means it's returning nothing, so you will also understand later. This is some parameters. String, brackets, open and close. This is called square brackets, open and close, and arts. Then this is called, this is parenthesis, and this is curly brace. So curly brace open and curly brace close, and here curly brace open, curly brace close. Whenever you open a curly brace, you have to close that. So if I clean this one, just here, if you say that this is a class, it started from here and its end is here. This is a method. The words which I am using, you will understand later. This is a method, and this is started here and end is here. And in between that, we just have one line of code, that is system.out.println hello world. Means this line will execute the code and just show on the screen hello world. So if I show you, just a moment. Let me change this one. So here you can see I have written it here, and you can see that the file name is main.java. So now if I run here, it's showing hello world. So now we have completed our first program. We have learned what is Java, we have learned how to install Java, what is the uses of Java, and now we successfully run our first Java program. So congratulations for that, and take time. Maybe some semicolon will be lost, maybe some, when you will write, maybe some bracket you will not give, maybe this system you will maybe write it in small cases, some error will give, but don't worry about that, it will be fixed. So just I will fix them. Okay, so now let us again see what is next. Okay, so let us move to the next chapter. Am I going too fast? So this is showing the output which you already done. So what is saying here, the main method is record, and you will see it is a It is in every Java program. As we already told you, this line will be appear in every Java program. What is this? Public static void main string args. Any code inside the main method will be executed. After some classes, you will understand how it works. I will just remove this. Okay. And what we did, we performed this task. We have written this line, and this showed this line in the screen. Hello world. This is just very basic program. So whatever is written here, I already explained to you. So let's move to the next chapter, next page. Let's see. Java output print text. As you learned from previous chapter, that println prints text on the screen. So whenever you are writing this program, you have to write it in the double quotation. If there is no quotation, it will give error. Like if I show you, just see that I have given so I am removing them, replacing them with single quote, and I am running. So you can see invalid character constant. So don't do that. Be careful about this. For few days you will make some mistakes, but after that it will be totally okay. You can do better. So, and if you remove them double quotes, let's see what happens. It's saying syntax error. World deleted this token. Means it's not recognizing these two words. So again, if I put these two, then again it will run perfectly. So you can see that showing hello world. And if you are doing it, if you want to run it from your mobile, there is app available in Play Store. You can search. Let me search Play Store. You will search coding. There are so many. These are showing that they are here is online compiler. This one is also good. So this is only for C. You can install these two, decoder and online compiler. Those support multi languages, and you can do it from your here. The example you can see Java 8. So and here you can see that multi languages supported. So you can install this one, and you don't have to install Java on your Android device. It's just needed in this PC. for the case of PC. So just install that and run the code. The output and all the things, all the errors will be same for you and those who want to do it in the PC, for them also. So let us see about next. So earlier we printed text. What is text? Which is into double quotes. Text. Whatever you will put in the double quote, that will be considered as text. So now here where we'll print numbers. You can see numbers. So if I want to print the numbers, you can do it by the text also, but when you will put double inverted comma, the system will consider it as text. But if you want system to consider the number as number, then you have just put the numbers. Let me do it. So if I want to put here numbers, what I will do, I will clean all the inverted commas and I will just print this. Let's run. So here you can see that is printed on the screen, this number. Even if you put the inverted comma, it will also print the same thing, but it's as a text. You cannot see difference by just looking at it. Now you can understand that if I try to add something here, just another 30, this is a text, this is a number. So if I want to do that, if I run that, you can see that what it's have done, it printed the first one and the second one after that. So it didn't add this number with this number, it just placed it after this one. So you can now understand that this one is considered as text by the system. So now what we will do, we'll just remove the text and we convert it in the number. So now what will happen if I run this? Now you can see the difference. It has been added to the number. So let's continue. Sorry, I forgot to present this one. I was talking. I was teaching from this, but I forgot to present. Sorry. So now I think you have understand that how to print number, how to print text, how to install. So now if you have any doubts, just ask me. From next day, means Friday 8 PM, we'll do this chapter, comment, multi-line comment, single line comment, So just go through. If you want to take notes, you can take notes. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section. I will provide these documents, and I already have a website that is in construction mode. Our developer is building that, so that's why I couldn't present this today. I I believe from the next class I can present that. So all the resources, whatever I will show in the class, you can find that in the website. And this doc also I will put in the description. Let me do that. Uh, how to do this? I think share. Okay. At, at the end of description, I'm putting that. Okay, now you can see it's available there. So if you have any doubts, just ask me in the comment section. If you have any doubts, just ask me in the comment section. Okay guys, thank you for joining. So do practice whatever you have learned today, and uh, if you have any question you can comment. I will try to uh, put this video. I will edit this video. I'll try to put it. Let's see if I can do that. Thank you for joining to this class. I will see you in the next class, which is in the Friday 8 p.m. Goodbye guys.